Hello dear students, all of you welcome on my channel Superb English Education. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more educational videos. In this video, we are going to see some MCQs of B.Ed course number 205 Geography method. See question number 1. The following are the examples of celestial bodies. Options: A. Sun, B. Moon, C. Stars and D. All of the above. So correct answer of this question is D. All of the above. Sun, moon and stars, these are the examples of celestial bodies. Question number 2. The different group of the stars is known as. See the options: A. Constellations, B. Celestial bodies, C. Asteroids and D. Comet. So correct option is A. Constellations. Question number 3. The following planets have a ring around them. See the options: A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus and D. All of the above. So correct answer of this question is D. All of the above. So Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have a ring around them. Question number 4. The majority of the asteroids are found between the orbits of. See the options: A. Mars and Jupiter, B. Earth and Mars, C. Jupiter and Mars and D. Saturn and Mars. So correct answer is A. Mars and Jupiter. Question number 5. The following planet is nearest to the Sun. See the options: A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Venus and D. Saturn. So correct option is B. Mercury. Question number 6. In the leap year, excess one day is added in the month of. See the options: A. January, B. February, C. March and D. April. So correct answer is B. February. Question number 7. An equinox each year. See the option: A. Thrice, B. 4 times, C. Twice and D. Once. So correct option is C. Twice. Question number 8. Earth's movement around Sun is called. See the options: A. Rotation, B. Revolution, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. So correct answer is B. Revolution. Question number 9. The sun rays are vertical over the dash dash during dash. See the answer: A. Tropic of Capricorn equinox, B. Tropic of Cancer equinox, C. Tropic of Capricorn summer solstice, D. Tropic of Cancer summer solstice. So correct answer is D. Tropic of Cancer summer solstice. Question number 10. In perihelion, helios means. See the options: A. Hydrogen, B. Light, C. Star and D. Sun. So correct option is D. Sun. Question number 11. What is called a needle fixed throughout the globe in a tilted manner? See the options: A. Orbit, B. Axis, C. Latitude and D. Longitude. So correct answer is B. Axis. Question number 12. Between which parallels of latitude in the torrid zone situated? See the options: A. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, B. Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, C. Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle and D. None of these. So correct answer is A. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Question number 13. What time does the Earth take rotating from 1 degree longitude to next longitude? See the options: A. 4 minutes, B. 15 minutes, C. 10 minutes and D. None of these. So correct option is A. 4 minutes. Question number 14. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is. See the options: A. Mesosphere, B. Exosphere, C. Ionosphere and D. Stratosphere. So correct option is B. Exosphere. Question number 15. Which of the following gases absorbs ultraviolet rays? See the options: A. Carbon dioxide, B. Neon, C. Ozone and D. Nitrogen. So correct option is C. Ozone. So ozone gases are absorbs ultraviolet rays. Question number 16. The increase in the volume of carbon dioxide for the past few decades is mainly due to. See the options: A. Deforestation, B. Climate change, C. Atmospheric composition, and D. Burning of fossil fuels. So correct option is D. Burning of fossil fuels. Question number 17. What envelops the earth all round? See the options: A. Hydrosphere, B. Lithosphere, C. Atmosphere, and D. Biosphere. So correct option is C. Atmosphere. So atmosphere envelops the earth all round. Question number 18. Excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere due to pollution will cause. See the options: A. Earth's temperature to rise, B. Earth's temperature to fall, C. Decrease in weather phenomena, and D. Ozone layer to become thicker. So correct option is A. Earth's temperature to rise. So excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is due to pollution will cause the Earth's temperature to rise. Question number 19. Rainfall is also known as. See the options: A. Precipitation, B. Condensation, C. Infiltration, D. Downpour. So correct option is A. Precipitation. So rainfall is also known as precipitation. Question number 20. A rate of rainfall is expressed in. See the options: A. Centimeters, B. Millimeters, C. Meters, and D. Kilometers. So correct option is A. Centimeters. A rate of rainfall is expressed in centimeters. Question number 21. Intensity of rainfall is measured by. See the options: A. Continuously recording gauge, B. Anemometer, C. Hydrometer, and D. Seismometer. Correct option is A. Continuously recording gauge. Question number 22. Movement and filtering of fluid from porous material is called as. See the options: A. Percolation, B. Infiltration, C. Transpiration, and D. Precipitation. So correct answer is A. Percolation. Question number 23. Which gauge gives the permanent record of rainfall? See the options: A. Recording gauge, B. Non-recording gauge, C. Copper daily gauge, and D. Plastic gauge. See the correct option is A. Recording gauge. Question number 24. Marble is a metamorphic rock of. See the options: A. Sandstone, B. Limestone, C. Granite, and D. Clay. So correct option is B. Limestone. So marble is metamorphic rock of limestone. Question number 25. The narrow strip of land joining two land masses is called as. See the options: A. Cape, B. Isthmus, C. Strait, and D. Peninsula. So correct option is B. Isthmus. Question number 26. Sandstone in which type of rock? So sandstone is which type of rock? See the options: A. Calcareous rock, B. Igneous rocks, C. Metamorphic rock, and D. Sedimentary rock. So correct answer is D. Sedimentary rock. So sandstone is a sedimentary rock. Question number 27. Which of the following is an example of abyssal igneous rock? See the options: A. Basalt, B. Granite, C. Slate, and D. Dolomite. So correct option is B. Granite. Question number 28. Which of the following is known as the roof of the world? See the options: A. Everest, B. Pamir Mountains, C. Siberian Fields, and D. Hindu Kush Mountain. So correct option is B. Pamir Mountains is known as the roof of the world. Question number 29. The igneous rocks are formed due to. See the options: A. Accumulation of sediments at the bottom of sea, B. Granitization, C. Disintegration of magma, and D. Altering of metamorphic rocks. So correct option is B. Granitization. Question number 30. Which of the following is the longest mountain range? See the options: A. The Himalayas, B. The Rockies, C. The Andes, and D. The Caucasus. Correct option is C. The Andes. So the Andes is the longest mountain range. So thank you all of you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe the video for the more educational updates.